हर एक फ्रेंड कमीना होता है। राजकुमार राव, वरुण धवन, ये कुछ नाम हैं जिनको मैं हमेशा रिलाय कर सकता हूँ। स्त्री ना एक तरह का एक फैमिली अफेयर बन चुका है और आई होप कि उस फैमिली में दरार कभी ना आए। व्हेनेवर समथिंग इज सक्सेसफुल ना, देयर विल ऑलवेज बी सम नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स। आई हैव ह्यूज रिस्पेक्ट फॉर ऋषभ Shetty and Kantara. I have huge respect for the kind of films South is making.
He lost on a very good opportunity while working in Agnipath.
We did not know how to cast a commercial film. I have said that before. So because we were not able to cast, they fired us. Failures will teach you more than success. If you talk about Karan Johar, that becomes news. Not only Karan Johar, if you just say Karan, I think that will become a news.
Thinking about that character Hathoda.
I'm dead. मुझे पता होता ना कितना बड़ा हिट होता, मैं नहीं मारता गोली। मैं बोलता था सर कुछ और कर लो यार, गोली मिस हो गई। Before Mukesh Chabra, casting directors were this ghost. Nobody in the public used to know about, कि होता क्या है, casting कौन है ये लोग. He made it sure that the audience should also know the kind of hard work we are doing. Hi, this is Abhishek Banerjee and you're watching me exclusively on Zoom.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here on Zoom channel और मेरे साथ में आज है अभिषेक बैनर्जी who is going to talk about the success of Stree 2 और बहुत कुछ. So join me as I welcome him on Zoom.
Thank you, Samina. Thank
First
you.
of all, lovely to have you, Jana, on board. जाना एक कैरेक्टर है जो सभी को याद रहेगा क्योंकि कई फ्रेंड्स इस चीज के शिकार बन चुके हैं. जब दोस्त कुछ करने बोलते कुछ और ही निकलता है.
ऐसे ही होते हैं, दोस्त ऐसे ही होते हैं. मुझे किसी ने बोला कि यार ऐसा तो तुम्हारे साथ तो बहुत बुरा हुआ. मैंने बोला नहीं, ऐसा ही होता है, असल जिंदगी में ऐसा ही होता है. दोस्त जो है वो क्या कहते हैं, वो हमेशा दोस्ती की कस्में नहीं खा रहे होते हैं, वो इस तरह की हरकतें कर रहे होते हैं. इसलिए कहते हैं ना कि हर एक फ्रेंड कमीना होता है. जरूरी नहीं कमीना से होता है. पर जरूरी वाले फ्रेंड्स में आपके लिए कौन आए हैं, यानी इन योर वर्क करियर, ऐसे आपको जो लगता है जो जिन पे यू कैन कन्फाइड एंड रिलाई ऑन कंप्लीटली? अगर आप इंडस्ट्री फ्रेंड्स की बात करें तो आई थिंक सबसे पहले अमर कौशिक, राजकुमार राव, वरुण धवन, अपार शक्ति, ये कुछ नाम हैं जिनको मैं हमेशा रिलाय कर सकता हूँ. और उन्होंने मुझे हमेशा सिखाया भी है और जिसे कहते हैं बुली भी किया है, परेशान भी किया है, और मैं उनसे कोई भी चीज़ के बारे में बात कर सकता हूँ. ये कुछ ऐसे नाम है जिनके साथ मैं अपने ज़िंदगी के बारे में बहुत ही सटीक तरीके से कुछ भी बात कर सकता हूँ.
स्त्री 2 की बात करें तो काफ़ी ही अच्छी फिल्म रही है. बॉक्स ऑफिस पे भी काफ़ी अच्छा कलेक्शन बना लिया है. ऑलमोस्ट 300 crores के पास आ चुकी है. एंड इवन व्हेन आई वॉच्ड, मुझे रात में जाने में डर लग रहा था बिकॉज इट वाज अ प्रीव्यू एंड आई वाज लाइक घर पे जाओ कि नहीं जाओ. और ऊपर से वो पूनम की रात एंड चांद रात, वो सब भी था पूरा. एंड द मूवी थोड़ा सा कुछ सीन्स में, but otherwise there was comic timing and all that, which I really loved. But I feel that this movie has some strong messages also, via like it was kind of talking about two different genders and two different genders का struggle also in a way. आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं इसके ऊपर?
I think स्त्री की खूबी ये है कि बहुत कुछ सिखा देती है बिना ज्ञान की उल्टी की. क्योंकि आई थिंक ज्ञान की उल्टी किसी को नहीं पसंद है. पहले सीन में ही अगर आप देखें तो रुद्रा भैया कैरेक्टर बोलते हैं कि ज्ञान की उल्टी कर रहा हूँ. इट्स अ मेटाफर. बिकॉज हम लोग ज्ञान हमेशा देने लगते हैं लेकिन उसको अप्लाई नहीं करते. और हम जिस तरह जब भी ऑडियंस को कुछ प्रीच करने की कोशिश करते हैं ना, ऑडियंस नहीं सीखती, बोलते अरे यार हाँ चलो हमें मत बताओ. तो इसलिए हमें स्त्री जैसी फिल्में बनानी पड़ती है जहाँ पे वो एंटरटेन हो, उनको मजा आए और वो कुछ चीज़ें समझे, सीखे अपने सोसाइटी के बारे में. खासकर आजकल के टाइम में हम बहुत पढ़ ही रहे हैं. हम लोग जैसे कहते हैं कि एक तरह का रेवोल्यूशन चाहते हैं, लेकिन वो रेवोल्यूशन हर घर से शुरू होता है. तो हाँ, मतलब आई एम वेरी प्राउड कि स्त्री जो है एक एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म के साथ साथ एक सामाजिक फिल्म भी है.
And you yourself are a casting director.
Yes.
So when you see actors in the movie, do you also feel कि शायद से ये casting गलत है? आप कभी कभार calculate या analyze करते हो?
I think शिव और आशीष ने बहुत अच्छी casting की है स्त्री 2 की.
Not for this movie, but otherwise also when you get casted for a movie, do you have this thought in mind कि शायद से मैं ये रोल कर सकता था या शायद ये casting ऐसी?
हाँ बिल्कुल होता है वो. You can't ignore that because आप खुद ऐसे कोई काम करते हो तो जब भी आप किसी सेट पे जाते हो तो आप देखते हो कि अरे ये इसको यहाँ पे अच्छा ठीक है, मे बी, तो ये सब होता है. बट मैं वो भूल जाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. मैं हमेशा कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं जो है इस चीज़ को भूल जाऊँ कि मैं कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ जब मैं सेट पे एज एन एक्टर आता हूँ. बट हाँ, कभी कभार मैं आई कांट हेल्प इट, बट बैकग्राउंड एक्टर्स को मैं बहुत बार ना उनको हेल्प करता हूँ. बिकॉज मैं खुद कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ. मुझे पता है सबके पास ना टाइम होता नहीं है बैकग्राउंड एक्टर्स को समझाने के लिए, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बोलने के लिए, क्योंकि वो बैकग्राउंड एक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फिल्म में. जो हम एक फ्लैट लाश की तरह नहीं चल सकते. जो मोटिवेशन होता है यहाँ से वहाँ जाने का, क्यों जा रहे हो, तो वो सब चीज़ें ना कभी कभार मैं बिना डायरेक्टर को बताया, बिना असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर को बताया, मैं खुद ही कर देता हूँ ताकि क्या बोलते हैं वो सीन में अच्छा लगे. मैं बड़ा इन्वॉल्व होकर काम करने पसंद करता हूँ. तो हाँ, मतलब दैट्स समथिंग व्हिच आई लव.
To also ask you, Abhishek, that while working on Stree, that what one thing you really loved, rebonding with the team, because Stree 1 में भी काम किया है, Stree 2 में भी.
जो आपने बोला रीबॉन्डिंग यार, क्योंकि मतलब स्त्री ना एक तरह का एक फैमिली अफेयर बन चुका है, और आई होप कि उस फैमिली में दरार कभी ना आए, क्योंकि बड़ा डर लगता है जब सक्सेस आ जाता है ना, तो सबसे बड़ा डर ये लगता है कि सक्सेस के बाद हमने कहानियाँ सुनी हैं, दरारें आती हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स शुरू होती हैं. आई होप कि हमारे इस परिवार में कभी वो ना हो, क्योंकि बहुत ही प्यार से करते हैं हम लोग. जब हम जाते हैं तो मतलब जैसे कहते हैं अमर कौशिक, वो हमारे हेड ऑफ द फैमिली हैं, और उनको आता है सबको साथ लेके चलना. सेट पे जो यूनिट में हर एक इंसान की वो बात सुनता है. ऐसा कोई नहीं है, लाइट बॉय से लेकर आर्ट बॉय से लेकर कोई भी एक्टर से लेकर हर इंसान उनको बस जाके एक सजेशन दे सकता है. उनको सजेशन अच्छा लगेगा तो हम मानेंगे, अगर नहीं अच्छा लगेगा तो सुनेंगे जरूर. रोज शूटिंग शुरू होती है गाने से. कोई भी गाना हम शुरू करते हैं जो कि सीन से रिलेटेड एक गाना होता है, उस गाने को जो है हम लोग प्ले करते हैं, और सब लोग नाचते हैं. सब नाचते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि एक्टर्स ही नाचते हैं, वो खुद भी आके नाचते हैं, 80s नाचते हैं. और फिर हम लोग शुरुआत करते हैं, खाना साथ में खाते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो एक तरह का जिसे कहते हैं कि जो हम पहले सुनते थे ना अभी, कि यार पहले जमाने में ना ऐसे काम होता था, पिकनिक मनाने जाते हैं, वैसा ही है. और शायद हम लोग पिकनिक मनाते हैं और साथ में काम कर लेते हैं, तभी शायद वो मजा जो है ऑन स्क्रीन हमें देखने को मिलती है.
और अभिषेक ऐसे कई बार ऐसे भी देखा गया है दैट इवन इन मूवीज आप जैसे कि कहते हैं कि जैसे कि बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन जब जैसे बढ़ जाता है, देयर इज दिस वन थिंग व्हिच यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द यूनिटी, पर ऐसे भी होता है कि कभी कभार स्टोरी लाइन काफी कमजोर हो जाती है. बस स्त्री में स्टोरी लाइन काफी अच्छी थी, स्त्री 2 में भी काफी अच्छी थी, और स्त्री 3 की भी अनाउंसमेंट कहीं ना कहीं आपने की है. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि व्हाट रियली वर्क्स, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला टू कीप दैट बिकॉज ऑर्डर चेंज हो जाता है ना कई बार, ऐसा लगता है कि शायद से वही घसी पिटी स्टोरी फिर से ना आ जाए.
नहीं, टू स्टे रूटेड टू द स्टोरी है. अगर हम स्त्री 2 में चंदेरी से हटकर स्विट्जरलैंड चले जाते, या चंदेरी से हटकर स्विट्जरलैंड छोड़ो दिल्ली चले जाते, या कुछ एक ऐसा झटका दे देते पब्लिक को कि लगता है कि अरे ये तो दूसरी दुनिया में चले गए, तो प्रॉब्लम होती. हमने ऐसा भी नहीं कि अब बड़ी फिल्म बना रहे तो सेट पे शूट करेंगे. होता है ना कि बजट बढ़ गया तो हम ये ऐसे करेंगे. नहीं, हम उन्हीं लोकेशंस पे जाके शूट किया, वही कपड़े पहने हैं. मेरे बहुत सारे कपड़े, विक्की के बहुत सारे कपड़े, बिट्टू के बहुत सारे कपड़े वही थे जो हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट में पहने. जूते वही थे. तो हमने, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत जरूरी है कि आप जब सीक्वेंस बनाते हो या यूनिवर्स क्रिएट करते हो तो रूटेडनेस बहुत जरूरी है. कि वो फिल्म आ कहां से रही है, कहानी किन की है, वो नहीं बदल सकता. हेयर स्टाइल नहीं चेंज हो सकता कि सडनली अब जना सेकंड पार्ट में बाल वाल बना के चिकना विकना होके नहीं आ सकता, वो वैसे ही रहेगा. समझ रहे हैं आप? ये चीजें, ये खूबियां हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि स्त्री को एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल फ्रेंचाइजी बनाती हैं, क्योंकि हमने कभी उसको रूट से अलग करने की कोशिश नहीं की, और सारा श्रेय जाता है अमर कौशिक जी को. अमर कौशिक.
Abhishek, but as you say this, it's a very interesting part. But एक चीज बहुत खासियत थी कि यहाँ पर किसी ने खुद का स्टारडम को लेकर they have not run the game or run the show. Maybe probably Shraddha has her own fan following right now, or say Rajkumar has his own thing. You yourself are a casting director and an actor. You have your own circuit of people who really adore your work. People have not come with that baggage when they are working on the movie. Do you also feel that?
Of course. Of course. I don't think there's any space for baggage in Stree. Because you can't make it otherwise. You can't make it.
But because of this also, there was this one thought which was happening a lot on social media, which was about Shraddha Kapoor ke bal par ye movie chal rahi hai. And a lot of people said that maybe she's the one who's leading it, she's the female lead actress, though she has very few scenes in the movie also where she's playing the role and all, but एक वो बन रहा है वहाँ पर social media पे. आप इस पे क्या कहना चाहोगे?
I don't know. See, I don't understand PR and I don't understand the kind of conversation social media पे जो चलता है. मुझे नहीं समझ में आता. मुझे इतना समझ में आता है कि होता क्या है कि whenever something is successful ना, there will always be some negative points. कुछ तो नेगेटिविटी चाहिए लोगों को, जिससे कि वो बात करें, जिससे कि मतलब चीज़ों को बड़ा बनाए या छोटा बनाए. आई ऑनेस्टली, मैं आपको सच बताऊं, मुझे लगता है कि इन सब चीज़ों पे हम तो फोकस करते ही नहीं. क्योंकि जब हमने शुरू किया था तो हमें किसी ने नहीं बोला था कि ये फिल्म इसकी है उसकी है. जब हम साइन करने जाते हैं तो हमें नहीं बताया जाता कि ये फिल्म, तो अगर आपने खुद ही देखा होगा, बहुत बार लोगों ने बोला कि जना की एंट्री पे लोग सबसे ज़्यादा तालियां बजाते हैं. कौन, मतलब उस तरह से देखा जाए तो इतने बड़े स्टार्स के बीच में क्या है जना. ये फिल्म एंसेम्बल कास्ट की फिल्म है, ये सबकी फिल्म है, एंड दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस फिल्म, जो कि कभी नहीं बदल सकती. मतलब चाहे कितना भी शोर मच जाए या जितने भी मतलब लोग कंपैरिजंस में चले जाएं, ये वही वाली बात है कि साउथ और नॉर्थ की जो एक इंडस्ट्री के बारे में जो बात है मैं पढ़ता रहता हूँ ना, कुछ अच्छा होता है नॉर्थ में तो साउथ वाले बोलता है अरे साउथ में ज़्यादा बेटर होता है, नॉर्थ वाले बोल देंगे। ये ना शोर है, इसका कोई अंत नहीं है और वो होता रहेगा अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया है ही ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे आई थिंक शोर मचाना बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है।
But as we talked about the South versus North debate also, you know, Bollywood versus South, recently when Rishabh Pant, commented that, he feels that maybe internationally because Bollywood has vulgarity, Bollywood is not coming up to the mark. That is what his statement was. Rishabh Shetty, he was there in Kantara, Kannada actor.
What vulgarity?
He feels that, there was vulgarity in Bollywood and his statement was there at a press conference, following which a lot of trolling also happened, on him. But he said so.
Vulgarity?
Yes.
I don't know what he means by that. I don't understand that. See, what we need to understand is that I have huge respect for Rishabh Shetty and Kantara. I have huge respect for the kind of films South is making. And rightly so. I think it's a very young force. बहुत ही young workforce है. They are trying to redefine cinema. And that is really adding a lot of value to the entirety of the country. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ उनको बेनिफिट हो रहा है, उनकी वजह से हमें भी बेनिफिट हो रहा है, क्योंकि हमारे इंडस्ट्री में भी देन पीपल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड इमेजिनिंग एंड रियलाइजिंग दैट ओ वी कैन मेक फिल्म्स without properly known faces, or we can make films which are more rooted to our country. Any good film for that matter, whether it's Kantara, whether it's Bahubali, or whether it's whatever, it helps any creative person in any industry to reimagine their thoughts. So I don't know, vulgarity की बात मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. Maybe he's speaking about one fraction of the industry, or one fraction of the films we have made. But eventually, if there is good cinema in our country, every industry is going to benefit out of it. मलयालम सिनेमा एक अलग स्तर पे चल रही है, कन्नड़ा मूवीज एक अलग स्तर पे चल रही है, तेलुगु अलग स्तर पे चल रहा है, तमिलनाडु अलग स्तर पे चल रहा है. इस वक्त हिंदी इंडस्ट्री में सडनली वी हैव अ हॉरर जॉनर, कॉमेडी जॉनर विच जो इस साल जिसने कमाल किया है, शैतान और मुंजिया और अभी स्त्री 2, भूल भुलैया भी आने वाली है. तो ये सब नया है ना. इट्स अ वेरी, आई फील दीज आर वेरी ग्रेट टाइम्स फॉर क्रिएटिंग. So there's no space for negativity, I feel.
And when it comes to stars versus actors, so many times a star is paid a certain amount because he carries the stardom, versus actor, wherein he's done a very fair job, a very good job, but somewhere the pay circuit is, the pay culture is quite less. What do you have to say on that debate?
Yeah, I think the problem is with that is that you are always expected to bring people on screen. And only when you can bring people on screen or in the theaters, only then you get paid a certain amount. Having said that, I think the debate is going to be soon over very soon. I think we are anyway seeing the change of how actors are being accepted by the audience and also given love. There's so much love in the audience. They're also becoming smarter. They understand what is acting and what is bad acting now. And bad acting is completely rejected. I'm not saying actors are bad, but sometimes we don't know the right chord which the audience likes. Right now is the time for relatability. This is not an aspirational time, So the more distance we create with the audience, the more distance we will feel in the theaters. This is the time to, merge with them. And the only way to merge with them is by honesty. So they are looking for that honesty in performances. We have seen that in OTT. We are seeing that in Bollywood. We are seeing that in the Hindi film industry. That is why we have a 12th Fail. That is why we have a Lapata Ladies. That is why we have a Madgaon Express. That is why we have a Munjia. And now we have a Stree 2. These are all actor films.
And which are good ones also, I must say that. But Abhishek, also so many times ऐसे भी होता है कि जब acting की बात करते हैं तभी कई बार some people lose on opportunities, and that happened to you also. You lost on a very good opportunity while working in Agnipath, and you spoke about it, and a lot of people.
We were fired, not lost.
You fired.
No, because we didn't अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे थे हम, but young थे. So we did not know how to cast a commercial film. I have said that before. So because we were not able to cast, they fired us. And why I wanted to make that point was that time when we were young, 2022, That time we thought our career is ended because धर्मा से निकल गए तो बस अब तो करियर खत्म. अब हमारे दिमाग में ये था जो कि बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स में होता है, that once you do something wrong, once you fail in a subject or in an exam, you realize that oh, everything is the end, you have hit the roadblock. But we bounced back. We worked hard, we worked harder, and then we did OK Janu, Student of the Year 2, Kalank, Kill recently, 11 by 11, all Dharma films. I was cast in Ajeeb Dastan. So I just wanted to tell everybody that nothing is a roadblock or end of the road. There is always a second chance.
I think I'll take this point for my own self.
Yeah. I'm telling you, we sometimes now we are very harsh on ourselves. Very harsh on ourselves. हमें लगता है कि यार shit यार हमें निकाल दिया, अब तो हम बुरे हैं, हम खत्म हैं. नहीं. It's just a bad phase, you know. And also I feel failures. Everybody tells you that. Every great person has told us that. Failures will teach you more than success. 3-2 के सक्सेस से मैं उतना नहीं सिखाऊंगा जितना मैं अग्निपथ के फेलियर से सीखा था. आप समझ रहे हैं?
Yeah, that's quite a valid point also because things change also, and
of course
things have changed for you also. But why did you you are a casting director and we know you more for that. Why did you choose to move to acting as well?
I know I was always an actor and I wanted employment. Bombay is a very expensive city, so I come from a middle class family. My parents could not afford my livelihood here. So I had to get some kind of employment, and that's why I joined casting, because casting was close to acting. I could give cues, I was interacting with actors, I was interacting with directors, I was reading scripts. So when I could do all of that, I thought that this is a great profession to be in. And also I had that greed that someday somebody was going to probably discover me and give me an acting shot. That never happened. It took me 8 years to finally get to my first acting job. And it happened because I gave a lot to casting. When I did it, after a point I was like, okay, forget about everything. If I am doing this right, let me first master this art. And that's how Casting Bay was born. That's how this whole office was born. So there's a lot of hard work behind it. And also there was a point when my friends used to tell me, and there used to be a chatter amongst the casting community or otherwise also, that अरे Abhishek is not an actor, वो तो casting director ही है. And or my actor friends used to say कि अबे तू अब casting कर रहा है तो now you will not be able to be an actor because now you're distracted. Now you don't have the edge. Now you're not sharp enough to be an actor. But I proved them wrong. Because I was like, I know I'm an actor. I'm living my life like an actor. I don't need to get paid to be an actor. I can choose to live like an actor. And to be an actor is to observe. To be an actor is to have empathy. To be an actor is to love your craft. And I had all of that. So I never worried whether today or tomorrow, when am I going to get the job. Whenever I got the job, I did my best.
What was this confusion about Karan Malhotra versus Karan Johar?
Oh, because that's why I said that anything you talk, if you talk about Karan Johar, that becomes news. And I realized that not only Karan Johar, if you just say Karan, I think that will become a news. So Agnipath's director was Karan Malhotra, and in the podcast, I was referring to Karan Malhotra as Karan sir, because that's how I refer to all my directors. My directors, I always put them at a pedestal. So I was talking about him, and somehow the media picked that, and they thought it's Karan Johar who fired me. Karan Johar तो मिले नहीं थे, बहुत बड़े आदमी थे, हम तो छोटे बच्चे थे जो casting करने गए थे. तो
but you never know, you could have been a student of the year for him.
Yeah, why not? I never thought about that. How about Professor of the Year now?
But as we also see now, Abhishek, your chemistry in terms of your bro code kind of a thing is very good with Varun Dhawan and Rajkumar Rao. Yeah. Do you otherwise also share very good equation with them, because that comes across like
yes, of course. I love them, and I'm usually a buddy. I'm a guy who can maintain friendships. I'm somebody who loves friends because I'm the only child. So because I'm the only child, for me, friends becomes my siblings, and I really trust them a lot. And I hope they also trust me. That's how my life is, and I've always been like that, and I'm not going to change it for anything. And when I get some kind of pure reciprocation of the same emotions and feelings, I get attached. So probably that attachment is what you see on screen also.
But as we talk about friendship and as you maintain the friendship, you recently also said that आपको रिश्ते निभाने नहीं आते हैं. So where is that drawback?
Did I say that?
Yes, like somewhere you said, like one of the statements has
रिश्ते
come.
नहीं बने आ रहे.
हाँ, तो it kind of.
Oh, that's a different one. That's like रिश्ते निभाने नहीं आते with non-friends. Like होता है ना इंडस्ट्री में, you are supposed to be like, oh you have to go and supposed to meet this person also, that person also, and send some food to this person, or you know, like, or go to their, I don't know how to do that.
Achha, like that.
Yeah, I mean
kindling kind
yeah,
of thing,
and I can't be at anybody's party just because I want to be in the party. I want to be very included in the party. If I'm not very close to you, I will not know how to behave or sit or, like, you know, drink. I'm also very I'm a very shabby like how do individual, so मेरे से ग्लास टूट जाएगा तो जब तक मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ.
You're not the socially friendly.
हाँ, with my friends I'm very social, but if they're not my friends, I don't know how to, like, you know, be there, because I don't want to, like, you know, upset them in some way, and that's why I stay away from all of that, and I don't know how to probably, you know, like, call and do that chatter or like, और कैसे हो, जब मुझे शायद इंटरेस्ट नहीं है जानने में कि और कैसे हो. यू नो, बहुत बार ऐसे लोग ऐसे ही फ़ोन करते हैं कि और कैसे हो. डू यू रियली वांट टू नो? मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ. आज सुबह से मेरे कुक ने खाना नहीं बनाया है और उसने मुझे बोला है, सर जी आपने व्हाट्सएप में नहीं बोला था कि क्या खाना बनाना, इसलिए मैंने नहीं बनाया, विच इज़ कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग, बिकॉज हिज जॉब इज टू डू खाना. सो व्हाई डिडंट यू मेक खाना? सो दिस इज माय राइट. यू वांट टू नो दिस? सो you know what I mean? Yeah.
Do you also feel that because of this one particular thing, so many times many actors, you know, kind of get into this bracket that, you know, oh, because he's not there in that, you know, list of party friends and, you know, or that, you know, circuit of friends, you know, probably we should not chance upon him for, you know, acting. Does that make you lose the work, otherwise the craft of yours?
I don't know. I've never thought about it. I want to work with everybody, and I want to work with everybody as much as I like to work with my friends. You know, I don't know if this is a reason for me not getting some particular project or not, but I hope not. And I also feel that we are in a creative field, and directors are thorough professionals. You know, and they're very selfish. I've said this, that they're very selfish to their script, to their world. They would never want you know, a bad actor for their project. They'll always want to cast a good actor. And I feel that the more work I do, the more trust I'm going to get from the directors. After 3-2, many directors called me and they were very happy with my performance, and finally they were like, now we can cast you as a lead, which was something missing from my career earlier. So, and these are directors and producers who are not my friends, but probably they'll become my friends once I start working with them.
And which actor you personally liked casting and you felt like you have done the fantastic job of, you know, getting him on?
Oh, many. Siddhant Chaturvedi, Vamika Gabbi, Triti Dimri in Bulbul and Kala, Mohammad Zishan Ayub in No One Killed Jessica, and then he had a great career himself. Mithila Palkar, Nimrat Kaur was cast by Anmol Ahuja in Peddlers, and there are so on. Yeah. Avinash Tiwari, of course. Priyanshu Panyali, in the entire cast of Mirzapur. You know, so there's so much. I mean, when we got to cast Jaideep in Patal Lok, there are many, and I'm very proud that today in OTT, whenever you see those actors and you respect them and you say कि अरे कितने अच्छे actors आ गए हैं, many of them are because of us, and many of them are because of the entire casting fraternity. It's not only me. I'm just talking about the entire casting fraternity.
And as we talk about Patal Lok, I was, you know, the moment you came, I was constantly thinking about that character Hatoda, you know, constantly it was running in my head like a hammer. When are we going to see, like, the other season? Is something happening?
Season 2 is definitely happening. I was talking to Avinash Arun the other day, and he has directed that. And I think this has turned out to be a good one. When it's going to come out, I think only Prime Video knows. I'm not there, that I know. I'm dead.
Yes, you're dead.
And that's very sad.
You yourself killed yourself.
Very sad. Very sad. I didn't want to die. मुझे पता होता ना कितना बड़ा हिट होता, मैं नहीं मारता गोली. मैं बोलता था सर कुछ और कर लो यार, गोली मिस हो गई. पर अब कर दिया, मार दिया, अब क्या कर सकते.
But are you like moving from grey shade to comedy characters and like something which is light-hearted?
I mean I don't want to do too much of dark, because I think dark ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा कभी-कभार it bothers you also in real life. I like comedy. I love the lightness, and also I'm getting a lot of love and appreciation for Jana. So I feel that I'm going to continue doing something which is more about love, more about, you know, nice things in the world. Yeah.
And before I let you go, I have to ask you that if you look at Mukesh Chhabra, do you compare yourself with him or compete with him when it comes to casting?
Yes, I compete with him for good casting.
Yeah.
He's a very good casting director, and he is somebody who showed everyone the way. Because, you know, before Mukesh Chhabra, casting directors were these ghost HODs. Nobody in the public used to know about, you know, कि होता क्या है, casting कौन है ये लोग. He changed the game. He made it sure that the audience should also know the kind of hard work we are doing. We started getting credits, front credits, you know, probably because of him and others also. But yeah, I mean, I have nothing. Like many people talk about the rivalry factor and all that. I'm like, more than rivals, I think we are friends, you know, because we discuss and we are talking to each other about the industry and the norms and the casting norms more often than you think we are.
And I have
and it's also because we know each other from Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's nothing like that. ये बड़ा एक अच्छा लगता है लोगों को मजाक मतलब गॉसिप करने में या करने में अच्छी बात है करें हमें क्या but honestly I'm telling you when another professional in your field also if you see somebody doing good as a journalist you would appreciate them, right? The same thing in our industry. You know, somebody is doing good, you will tell them. I have always spoken about his good work. I call him and said कि क्या काम किया है. He would call me and say the same thing. So yeah, there's nothing.
And also, as we talk about him, in Animal, you have like got Tripti Dimri on board.
I was not the casting director.
You're not, but you have seen like you have got her in
Bulbul and Kala.
Yeah, but
and
as
he
you
got
see,
her in Laila Majnu.
Okay,
Yeah.
so as you see her career reviving, also, do you feel that the casting also plays an important role, but the dynamics change for an actor? Like for example, if you give a hit, your like recently also Siddhant Chaturvedi confessed about Tripti Dimri that she wouldn't even get a chai. Now she gets what she wants,
Oh, yes,
on
of
order.
course, yeah,
Do you feel that things change completely?
Of course. We have the feudal mindset in India, unfortunately.
Yeah. And before I let you go, what are your upcoming projects you're focusing on?
Oh, right now I'm actually finishing Hisab, which is directed by Vipul Shah. It's Jaideep Alawat, Shifarisha and me. I'm waiting for Section 84 with Mr. Bachchan, Ribu Das Gupta. I'm really waiting for that film. I finished shooting for Anna Naidu too, and I'm reading few scripts, and I'm going to be back in the theatres very soon.
And lastly, there's this one important topic you have spoken about, which is about Hema report.
Yeah.
I would like to know about it, and to the people out there.
Yeah, it's just sad, and I would like to tell all the young professionals, young women professionals who are coming to Bombay or any other city, that nothing is more important than your safety and dignity. If you're losing a job, let it be. You know, because I think job mil jayega. If there are predators, there are good people also, and we only need few good men to change the society. And I can assure you and guarantee you, these people who think they are powerful, they actually don't have any power because they are hiding in darkness. They're hiding in shadows and doing whatever they're doing. So do not enable them. Don't have any kind of fear. Speak out. There are people who are going to take care of it. So and unity is more powerful than one individual. Do not forget that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhishek, for a lovely time, and looking forward to see more of your work.
Yes.
Thank you for such a lovely interview.
Thank you so much. Thank you.